Evaporative cooling is nature's way to cool the human body. When water evaporates off the surface of your skin, it lowers your body temperature, just like when you get out of a pool. This can happen naturally through perspiration. Anytime a liquid evaporates from a surface, cooling takes place. Evaporative coolers work in very much the same way. Water passes through a fiber medium or pad. Air is pulled through this pad and evaporates the water. As the water is evaporated off, the air becomes cooler. Evaporative cooling is nature's way to cool. Evaporative cooling is a simple process, and it can be used to cool large areas like warehouses, restaurants, offices, and even the home in which you live. Here's how a cooler can be used to cool your home. Water dampens the cooler pads. Air is drawn through the pads and evaporates the water. As it does, the air is cooled and moisture is added. This air is anywhere from 25 to 30 degrees cooler than the outside air temperature. This provides a comfortable environment in which to work and live. Unlike air conditioning, doors and windows do not need to be kept tightly closed for evaporative cooling to work. In fact, doors or windows will need to be open a certain amount. The key to the best use of evaporative cooling is air exchange. Fresh air in, stale old air out. Up ducts can be used in place of open windows or doors to vent the air through an attic. In either case, venting should have 2 square feet for every 1,000 cubic feet per minute. Evaporative cooling allows fresh air to be constantly circulated through the home, removing odors, smoke, heat, and pollutants like radon gas. Air conditioning recirculates stagnant air over and over while cooling to an acceptable level. Any heat introduced into your home from cooking, body heat, washing, or electrical appliances makes your air conditioner work even harder. Evaporative coolers simply push this hot air out of the home. Evaporative cooling will not only provide you with comfort, but will be comfortable to your pocketbook as well. You can expect utility costs to be up to 75% lower compared to the costs of using an air conditioner. Don't forget, air conditioning repair visits can cost upwards of $75 an hour. When you look inside, you'll see why the industry's best coolers come from Phoenix Manufacturing. Our cooler cabinets are made from domestic galvanized steel and prepared through a 5-step cleaning and phosphatizing system. This system is the most advanced in the industry. In the final stages, the steel is rinsed with pure, filtered water and sealed to provide further long-lasting protection. Then a final protective powder coating called Peblar XT is added to the surface of the steel. This coating is the highest quality and most costly outdoor finish used in the industry. This multi-layer bonded treatment protects your cooler against rust, chalking, corrosion, and ultraviolet weathering. A less expensive coating method could be used, but Phoenix Manufacturing would rather make a quality product that will last than cut costs to make an inferior product. For easy maintenance, each cooler cabinet is equipped with latch-free slide-in pad frames. You simply lift one up and out of the cooler for easy access to the cooler pad and housing. Each pad frame is deep louvered to provide for maximum cool air delivery. The cooler pads supplied with the Phoenix Manufacturing evaporative cooler are made from strands of aspen, a wood fiber. Each pad provides an excellent medium for evaporation, suspending up to 20 times its weight in water, and also providing a pleasant fragrance when air is drawn through and passed into the home. The water is fed to the pads by a pump in the bottom of the cooler, surrounded by a protective mesh screen. Phoenix Manufacturing uses the new LSP-93 low sump pump. The LSP-93 is the most powerful pump on the market today. This pump will perform with no loss of pressure at any water level. You can be sure the pads of your cooler will remain wet for optimum cooling. The water from the pump travels through a pipe that feeds a self-metered water distribution system. This system evenly supplies water to the drip trough located above each of the cooler pads. Supplied with every Phoenix Manufacturing cooler is a bleed-off kit. This kit is recommended to ensure continuous fresh water and reduce mineral deposits on cooler pads. To maintain a proper water level in the bottom of the cooler, Phoenix Manufacturing provides a quality float assembly. The water supply is connected to the float valve to keep the water at a proper level for operation. Many competitor models and older coolers require you to coat the bottom with a tar or other sealant at the beginning of each year to reduce corrosion and rust out. The bottom of a Phoenix Manufacturing cooler should require no additional coating for a number of seasons. Phoenix Manufacturing coolers have a multi-layered finish to protect against corrosion and rust. In fact, Phoenix Manufacturing is so confident that our coolers are corrosion and rust protected that we provide a 5-year warranty on bottom pan rust out. The blower housing is constructed from the same galvanized steel and finishing materials that make up the rest of the cooler. The 3-point die-stamped bearing mounts ensure that every Phoenix Manufacturing blower wheel is perfectly aligned for the quietest operation. The blower shaft is 1 inch in diameter to provide maximum strength and quiet operation. Competitors and older models typically use only 3/4 inch shafts. Motors used in evaporative coolers use far less energy than air conditioners. Phoenix Manufacturing evaporative coolers cost less than $1 a day to operate, while a typical air conditioner costs over 5 times that amount. All electrical connections are made at the junction box, allowing easy plug-in connections of motor and pump. All Phoenix Manufacturing motors and pumps are recognized by Underwriters Laboratories. And for those winter months, a slide damper is provided to prevent heat loss. To provide the highest quality product, Phoenix Manufacturing uses a variety of quality control checks. Each day, a representative number of finished units are taken apart and tested for consistency and quality in the production process. After every run of 50 units, 3 mechanical checking methods are performed to ensure a quality finish. Ongoing tests are performed, exposing panels to salt solution for 1,000 hours. Like the wheels of a sports car, every blower wheel is dynamically balanced and rechecked using a high-speed rotation and vibration test to ensure the quietest operation for years to come. And before any cabinet leaves the plant, it is 100% leak tested. This test is performed in a controlled and timed submersion tank to prevent the possibility of operator error. As you can see, a Phoenix Manufacturing cooler is well designed, properly equipped, and thoroughly tested for your comfort in installation and everyday use. When deciding what kind of cooler to buy, you'll need to determine what style and size of cooler will fit your needs. First, decide whether you'll be using a side discharge, down discharge, or window style unit for your home or building. Next, determine the size cooler you'll need. Sizing a cooler is a simple process. First, determine the cubic footage of your home or room to be cooled. Simply multiply the length by the width by the height and divide by 2. For example, if you're looking for a down discharge unit and have a home that is 60 feet long, 20 feet wide, and 8 feet high, you would need a cooler for an area 9,600 cubic feet. Divide this number by 2 to determine the cubic feet per minute, or CFM. In this case, you'll need a 4,800 CFM unit. In each case, to find the optimum cooler for your application, you should refer to the sizing charts found in a Phoenix Manufacturing catalog. Always choose a cooler that delivers a CFM that is equal to or larger than your needs. This will ensure the best cooling possible. Standard window coolers from Phoenix Manufacturing are available in 4 models, ranging from industry standard 3,300 to 4,800 CFM, and include a duct and grill, 2-speed motor, standard parts as other models, window filter panels, and internal wiring. There are 6 models of down discharge and side discharge units, with each model available in 1 or 2-speed units for home use, ranging from industry standard 3,300 to 6,800 CFM. Industrial side and down discharge models offer you a choice of 6 industry standard sizes, ranging from 7,800 to 21,000 CFM. Complete specifications and sizing information is available from Phoenix Manufacturing or your local distributor. Your local contractor or dealer will be happy to assist you. Placement of a cooler will depend upon the structure's design and construction. Depending on your ductwork, coolers may be mounted at the side of your home or on the roof. In either case, the cooler must be leveled for optimum operation. Don't do this. Most homes will easily accept the use of an evaporative cooler system, but check local codes for proper installation. In some instances, you may already have air conditioning and wish to have evaporative cooling for part of your summer season. Side-by-side installation will provide you with the optimum cooling for your comfort and pocketbook. The initial cost of installing a Phoenix manufacturing cooler is far less than the cost of an air conditioner. Installing a typical 3-ton air conditioning unit requires a crane and crew to place the unit. Installing a Phoenix manufacturing cooler is a simple task that 2 people can do. Installation instructions are supplied, so you can do it yourself. Or, as most people prefer, you can hire a professional licensed contractor to install a unit for you. Cooler maintenance is easy when compared to air conditioning. Air conditioning units require a costly, certified maintenance person, while an evaporative cooler can be maintained easily by the average homeowner. There are just 5 simple checkpoints required throughout the season. First, replace the aspen pads about every 2 or 3 months throughout the season. Clean the water pump and filter cage at the start of the season. Lubricate the bearings at the beginning, middle, and end of the season. Adjust the belt tension twice a year. And drain and clean the bottom of the pan at the end of the season. It's as easy as that. Phoenix Manufacturing wants every customer to be satisfied with their purchase. All Phoenix Manufacturing coolers have a 5-year warranty on bottom pan rust out. There's also a 1-year warranty on all parts except the aspen pads. With Phoenix Manufacturing, you know you'll have the best evaporative cooler for the job. It's nature's way, providing comfort and savings for years to come.